build stuff like this, get all the elements in, change them, chop and change them, and go back, take something out. Don't be afraid to delete stuff. So for example, this ARP I'm not completely happy with just yet, so I might change that completely, delete it, and try something new with these other pads. You just got to be sort of able to improvise with this sort of stuff. So now this is too loud and the filter's too open, but I actually like the way that changes there, so I might bring that one up to there as well. And what I then might do is actually change this sub pad instead at the end. Let's have a little listen to that. Something like that might work as well after that, because I've got some reverb on it. Might add a bit of a side chain on it just to sort of give it a little bit more sort of a ducking effect to it. So I'm just going to use LFO tool. Still a bit loud. But as well, when I start adding a little bit of delay on there of some kind, nothing too crazy.